Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of Nat for Island Living. Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and so sweet potato pudding is a must. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet potato bread pudding with a rum pineapple coconut sauce. I am so excited, so let's get right to it. We will need about 7 slices of bread, cubed to about 1/2 inch thickness. We will also need 3 cups of whatever milk you use. So coconut milk is fine, almond milk is fine, as well as cow's milk. And for a distinctive Caribbean flair, we're going to add a sachet of coconut milk. Also add a cup of raisins for a bit of pizzazz. 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and once again, for that true island feeling, we're going to add 1/2 cup of rum and 1 cup of that beautiful cane brown sugar. Give this milk mixture a good mix and get ready to incorporate your sliced or cubed breads into this milk mixture. And that's it, guys. Take your time, enjoy the process. As we're getting ready for Thanksgiving, let us be thankful for the beautiful aroma that now fills the kitchen. The next step is to cook until soft 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes, and I threw mine on the grill, which is why it looked like this, but you could put yours in the oven or even boil them. Once they are soft, go ahead and mash them with a dinner fork. And once again, add about 1/4 cup of that beautiful cane brown sugar. Add a tablespoon of pure vanilla or vanilla essence, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg or nutmeg powder, the rind and juice of 1 orange. And guys, all these spices and flavors remind us of the cool Caribbean breeze, so let's relax and take it easy. Now in a separate bowl, we're going to break and beat 4 eggs, and this is a test of the true Caribbean. If you don't know how to take out the eye of the egg, I'm going to question your origin. Jamaicans, Caribbeans and a whole, we know that we must remove the eye of the egg before we use the egg. So I'm going to crack 4 eggs and I'm going to take out the eye. It's a beautiful day today, guys, and there's just so much to be thankful for. Let's grab the bowls with the bread and potato mixtures and we're going to combine them together. Optionally, you can add a pinch of salt at this stage. Okay guys, we're almost in the final stage. Set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix that egg into the rest of your batter. And if you haven't done so as yet, turn your radios or your iPads or whatever you listen music to onto your favorite station, and we're going to listen to some music as this batter cooks. So we're going to put this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and we're going to bake it for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, all of that is going on, island style, get your dance on. For the pineapple coconut rum sauce, I'm going to be heating over low flames a pineapple coconut jam, and as you can see here, it's real authentic coconut and pineapple from the Caribbean. And so I'm going to add to that a tablespoon of water and a tablespoon of authentic Caribbean rum, and I'm going to allow all of that to dissolve. And the pudding is fresh out of the oven, guys, and the house smells like something to be thankful for. I am now going to take one of these and I'm going to pour over that rum coconut pineapple sauce that I just made. And guys, if you could just smell what this kitchen smells like, you would be thankful with me. Guys, I wish I could share just a slice of this with you. And that, in fact, is what Thanksgiving is all about. The spirit of sharing, the spirit of unity, the spirit of hope. So guys, go ahead, make this in your own kitchens. Share it with your family, with your friends, with all of those who you have been blessed to have come across your path. And this Thanksgiving, remember the true meaning of this celebration. Keep your spirits high, keep hope alive, keep exploring in the kitchen and having all sorts of kitchen adventures. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel. This is Nat4 signing off from another episode of Nat4 Island Living. And until next time, walk good.